Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life. And if I have a funny little smirk on my face, it's because I have something extremely exciting to share with you. I'm really excited about this one. But first, one that you have been waiting for a long, long time. Chances are you might have seen about a month ago a little Peep bunny that had a little friend that has set the internet on fire because you couldn't get this little friend yet. And guess what, my friends? Now you can. Let me tell you, we've gotten so many emails because we showed you that little sneak peek. And are you ready? This is the little Peep lamb. I know, perfect for Easter, but perfect for every day. And I can't wait to share all the samples with you. But we have our cute little girl here, and she says, "You are my friend." She comes with the little dress. However, my friends, don't forget, all of our little Peeps share clothing. They all can wear the same clothing. So you can pick the overalls from the giraffe if you want it on the lamb. You get to mix and match, okay? So here it says, "You are my friend, you are my family. Friends are our chosen family." And then listen to this one. "There are friends, there is family, and there are friends that become family." Isn't that the sweetest saying you've ever heard in your life? And look at our cute little girl, and she has a little dress, a little heart to add some extra hearts in there if you want. Are there matching dies? You know me well enough to know there's matching dies. Of course there are. For the clothing, I recommend using the inside die and not the shadow die. It's up to you, but my personal preference is the inside die. But look at how fun those dies are. And I have lots of samples to share with you. Stay tuned. The next item I have to share with you, can I just tell you, I designed her a long time ago, and I'm so excited to finally bring her to you. And I call her, but she kind of is. She is an A2 sized butterfly folded. Now this butterfly might look a little familiar to you. We used her in a little tiny version in one of our club sets maybe a year ago. But here she is in full life version, beautiful, beautiful, and as a card size. Now, I'm going to show you my samples for those two items before I show you the one I'm really excited about, okay? Here we go. Here's our cute little butterfly girl. Look how cute. She makes an A2 sized card. Here's a cute one. Look at this. Now, what if you didn't want a card? Well, my friends, you can use our Box It to make her a little gift box. You can put her on a banner, and I have a sample to share with you on the banner. Look how cute that is. Bringing you sunshine and butterflies. Oh, here she is on a big card, 5x7. So you can add her to a big card. Live a colorful life. Look at all the cute little freckles. I absolutely love it. Now, you can also put her on a banner. I am a banner fanatic. And look at how cute this banner is. She goes perfect on, oh, she's even got a wobbly behind her. Look at that. Happy birthday. Imagine having a birthday person in your family and putting this on their door. It's so fun to decorate their doors when they wake up and have all these decorations. Imagine putting this on their doorknob for their bedroom or on their chair when they wake up, things like that, just to make it even more exciting. We need to celebrate those fun moments. Isn't that adorable? I absolutely love it. Now, let's look at our sheep or lamb little samples here. Here we have her in two different colors, colored so cute on, dun, 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 dun. Are you ready for this? A stand-up, a stand-up. Aren't those fun? Open it up. She's got her cute little friends family message in there. I absolutely love that. Oh, let's move these over here. So here we have, oh, peeking behind the sign. Look at how cute that is. Just so fun, just peeking behind the sign. Now, the flowers are from the picnic basket folded, if you're looking for those. The picnic basket folded, and we also use the stitched rectangles on this one as well. Oh, more stitched rectangles. This is by Sheila Beasley. She's actually a guest design team member. Look at how cute this little girl is, all dressed up with her little hearts on there, ready to go. A little flower on the inside. So fun. Stitched rectangles and flowers from the picnic basket folded. That picnic basket folded has lots of good flowers in there, let me tell you. This one's by Michelle. This is the little lambs, again on a fold-it. Oh, I always like to pull that little belly button notch up so they can stand up. Look how cute that is on a stand-up. So fun. Look, it stands up by itself. Isn't that amazing? I love it. Now here's a cute one. Look at this. Oh my goodness. This is our double Z card. So fun. It's got everything in there. It's got mini Pudgies 1 and 2. The frame shadow box card. Look at how gorgeous all of those goodies are. I absolutely love it. And of course, 3D ink, because Cheryl made this one. Cheryl loves to add 3D ink onto just about everything. I love it. Here's a cute one. Look at our little girl die cut this time. No stamps, just die cuts. Look at that. Sending you a paper hug. Isn't that adorable? But wait, there's more. Here's a cute one. Look, totally different look. Totally different look. Made by the same person. Karen Baugh, another guest design team member. Look at that. 2 totally different looks from the same designer. Look at that cute little lamb. I love it. So much fun. Here's another one. Look how cute this one is, a gray one this time, love it. And this is using our heart cluster dies and our dotted square dies and scalloped square dies. Love it, just for those little spots right there, so cute. Now, make some room, my friends. Are you ready? Drum roll. I wish I had drums. Drum roll. You all know that when I started my design life in the industry, I kind of knocked everybody's socks off with the flip it dies. No one had ever done anything like that. And I came out with flip it dies, originally in the big fat dies and now in the thin, wafer thin dies. And everybody loved them. Everybody loved them. I got a lot of compliments, but I had a couple people say, oh gosh, I wish there was more places to write. For example, what am I talking about? Maybe you're new to flip its. Here's a flip it card that's gonna be available on our website soon. Open it up. And isn't it gorgeous? It moves. It's awesome. It's so much interactive. It's so fun. You get to decorate it any which way you want. But you'll notice there's not much places to write. I mean, you could kind of like write your message here. You could write it on the back if you wanted to. So I developed a technique that would give this an extra, what we would call a hidden panel. So it would open up another spot and then you could write on the inside, but it wouldn't take away from the design. If you want to see that video, you can go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, click on the videos and click search hidden panel and it'll pop up a couple times probably. But that's really awesome, right? You could make this hidden panel. It was a special technique. It took an extra couple seconds, but it was worth it. But then I decided, what if I include that hidden panel as part of the die? I included the hidden panel as part of the die, meaning you're just gonna run it through the machine and it's already gonna be on there. No extra techniques involved. Can you believe it? Are you ready? It'll still fit in a standard machine, 6 inches. You do need the extended cutting pads. Here we go. It is called the Diamond Flip It Plus. Because, are you ready for this? Oh, I got a piece of tape on there. Look at this, my friends. Now, make sure you check out the other video that shows how to do this step by step, but look at all the extra pieces you're getting. This is jam-packed. What am I talking about? Ready? Look at this. Here it is. Here it is in person. So here it is. If it was a normal flip it, it would just do that, right? It would just do that. But, and it comes with all those fun flowers and the little vine, but now, dun, 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 automatically it will make this extra hidden panel. So now you're gonna have your card, you're gonna be able to open it, have a place to write, have a place to hide a gift card if you want to, but now your message is not taking away from the awesome design of your card. It's automatically included. Yes, you're getting all of those layering dies. Yes, you're getting those fun flowers with the little pin dots. You're getting this awesome vine. All of that is included in the die. And even this fun shape here with the double dots. What? I know, it's amazing. Okay, let's look at some more because I have lots of fun samples. Here's a cute one. Happy Mother's Day. You're gonna open it up. They like to tape it when they photograph it. So here we go. Happy Mother's Day, open it up. Hidden panel. Oh, this one's not a hidden panel. They glued it shut so you could pull out a gift card that way. Look at that. You could glue it shut and pull out a gift card instead that way. Isn't that awesome? Even a little spot on the back if you wanted to write on the back. So fun. Such a different way. I love that. Who made that one? Who made that one? Oh, it doesn't have a name. Oh, poo. It doesn't have a name. I think it's Cheryl though. I think it's Cheryl because it's got 3D ink on it. Okay, here's one. This one's by Yvette. Ready? Wishing you a special day. Open it up. Open it up. There you can have your message and a place to write your message. Isn't that fun? Look at that. It's like double duty. It is. It really, really is. I hope you guys are going to love this as much as I do because I would love to do more flip-its like that. So I always listen to my customers, so I hope to hear back from you on this. This one is a shaker, part of that diamond. Jesus loves you. And look at that. I'm so sorry. Sometimes there are no words. What a beautiful sympathy card. Can you imagine sending that to someone? What a beautiful sympathy card. Love it. Here's a fun one. Dun, 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 dun. Love bugs. Look at our love bugs on there. Sending you a hug. Thank you so much for your love, your support, and your prayers. One of my favorite sayings. Yep. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay, let's look at another one. This one's by Chris. Life is a garden. Look at that gorgeous patterned paper. Open it up. Look at those fun little flowers. Don't you just love it? I know. There's so many options on this one. So many options. Here's another one. This also includes more basket to stamp on it. But look at those fun flowers. Bloom wildly. Open it up. And there you have your message to add your message. Now, last but not least, I think this one actually is my favorite this time because I love those flowers on the front. Aren't they just gorgeous? Look at those beautiful flowers. Okay, we're going to open this up. My dear friend, it's your birthday. Open it up. Wishing you the most beautiful day. Isn't that beautiful? I know. I hope you guys love this as much as I do, this Diamond Flip Plus card, because it has that extra panel so you can write it. You don't have to do the special folding technique that we teach you, which is awesome also. But this is all included in there, and you get more dies that goes with it. So go check it out on the website. Club members, yes, you get your club discount. And if you're not in the club, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. It's $13.99 a month. That includes a brand new stamp set each month sent to you. And then you get club points, anniversary gifts, free gifts, and for joining, you get a free stamp and die set. What? Are you kidding? I know, it's amazing. And you get anniversary gifts if you stay in a full year. $15 gift certificate on your anniversary for if you've been in a year. Go check out our website, thestampsoflife.com. All of these items are on our website. Club members, you know the deal. You're already getting your awesome discount. It's like a sale every single day on our website. Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.